everybody. I'm giving you an update on the spider plants that I was so disappointed on. Well, it has decided to bloom. This one, but that one's still no sign of any blooms. There's been so much low light, no sunshine lately, very cloudy, so that's why they kind of look kind of sad looking, yellowish. So I decided to bring it to the corner over here where there's more light. And well, this one, you can see the stem right here. I decided to tangle it against this here, and see right here, there is my blooms. There's the baby one, and there's another bloom about to open. Oh, I was wrong. I take it back. It did bloom for me, and I'm glad, because it is quite different from the other ones that I bought. Totally different. The leaves are very nice and thin and long. They're thinner. And that one, of course, is the curly spider plant. You can't compare it with that one because this is a normal spider plant. And yes, I know it's getting dry tips because it needs more light. Hopefully the weather gets better and we get less cloudy days. Then, I'd rather have sunny days than cloudy days. We have too much cloudy days lately. So my friends, that is my update of my beautiful spider plant. I take it all back. It's not a boy, it's a girl. I know I said I think they're boys. Now I'm happy. They have blooms and they have, now it's making a baby. Not they, what am I saying they? Well, now it's making a baby and I'm quite happy with it. That is the update for my little spider plant. Well, it's not little. I know it's a short video. I just wanted to give you an update and a heads up on what is going on with my spider plants. It took quite a while for me to see any bloom at all, so I'm quite happy with it. Anyways, my friends, if you're new, subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Share my videos, and hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you all for watching, and by the way, Merry Christmas. If I don't get to upload another video, I want to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and I hope you enjoy together with your loved ones. Bye, everybody.